Good morning, everyone. I'm Ryan Frazier. Today's focus, the economic outlook for our state. Are we on the right track? The latest ColoradoCast suggests continued modest growth, even as the national economy has cooled. But what does that mean for you and me? Here's Dr. Phyllis Resnik, lead economist for the Colorado Futures Center at CSU.
The state seems to be maintaining economic momentum, but at a very modest level. So, we came off the pandemic, and as expected, we had very large growth rates because we had almost a complete shutdown. And now we're sort of normalizing at a sort of slow but steady rate of growth. And it looks to me like the state's economy is poised to sustain that.
Dr. Resnik tells me she is cautiously optimistic, especially given that the U.S. payrolls grew by only 142,000 in August, less than expected, reflecting a slowing labor market, and the national unemployment rate sits at 4.2%. Overall, Colorado's job market is holding steady. Now, some good news. Retail sales have been picking up, but is the spending sustainable?
If the economy continues to hold and the job market holds, I think that we would probably have a fairly healthy holiday season, but I do think that that's a risk. We're seeing debt levels start to rise again after some years of households sort of having balance sheets with less debt on them.
Holiday shoppers, take note. You might need to be a bit more strategic with your spending this year and not take on a bunch more debt. Other bright spots, inflation is cooling and interest rate cuts might be on the horizon. That could offer some relief for consumers and businesses alike. So, while the national picture might be a bit uncertain, Colorado's economy is showing resilience. Our diversified industries and job market are key factors to our continued growth. Of course, there are always risks to consider, like market volatility and political uncertainty. But Colorado has a history of bouncing back. So what's the bottom line? Stay informed, be adaptable, and keep an eye on those spending habits. Colorado's economy looks steady, but a little caution doesn't hurt. That's your business brief for 9 News. I'm Ryan Frazier.